Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shraddha and I am studying in class 8. Today I am going to deliver one presentation on Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Plant. It's popularly known as CTPS. Electricity is one of the most important need of modern life. Homes, schools, hospitals, industries and railways. Everything is dependent on electricity. Behind this electricity, larger power plants like CTPS which play a vital role in the development of our state. What is CTPS? Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station is a coal-based thermal power plant which is located at Urjanagar near Chandrapur in Maharashtra. It is operated by Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. The station was established in the 1980 and over a year it has become one of the most largest power station in Maharashtra. It has installed capacity of 3340 megawatts, making it one of the most largest power point in the state. How does thermal power plant work? The working process is very simple to understand. First, coal is burned in a large boiler, then heat produce water convert into high pressure stream. The stream rotate into hug turbines and connected to generator. Then generator produce electricity which is supply homes, schools, office and industries through the transmission lines. After making electricity, the stream is cooled back into water. Received the making processes continue. Importance of CTPS. CTPS is very important for Maharashtra because it supplies a significant portion of the state electricity. It helps industries to operate smoothly, support agriculture to through electricity for irrigation and ensure that home receive a regular power supply. The power station also provide employments to thousands of engineers, technicians, workers, and support staff directly or indirectly, contributing to the local economic. Environmental changes. Every technology has both advantages and environmental changes. Since CTPS use coal as fuels, it released carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and find some dust particles into the atmosphere. Dust pollutions can harm our air equality and human health if not properly controlled. Thermal power plant it also produce fly ash which is simply magnet. Thousands various of studies have highlighted importance of improving pollution control and adopting a cleaner technology at such plants. Step towards the cleaner energy. Government has working towards the efficiency and reducing pollution by using advanced technology and emission control system and modern period methods. There are also proposals to introduce newer. The more efficient unit can produce more electricity while using less coal and fewer emissions. What can students learn from city fuels? As a students, we should know electricity is most valuable. We should never waste electricity. We can save electricity by using LED bulbs, switch off lights and fans when in not use, conserving electricity at homes and schools, support renewable sources like solar and wind. Small actions of each one of us can make a big difference. Conclusion. Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station is not just a power plant. It is a symbol of our Maharashtra's industrial development and in energy security. It has sharing the status of many years by providing renewable electricity and employment. At the same time, it reminds us the importance of balancing development and with environmental protection. Let's us appreciate our engineers and technicians who keep our light every day, working towards a cleaner and greener future. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.